Hello. You want to see how I achieve this bell pepper onion puff puff? Keep watching. Hello. Welcome back. This is Lady B. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today we are going to be preparing bell pepper and onion puff puff. So that is my bell pepper, my onion. That is my warm milk. That is my flour. And there is my dried ingredients, dried yeast, sugar and salt. So I will combine into my flour that I already sieved, and I will add the milk bit by bit until my bowl is empty. So I'll just keep mixing, keep combining, keep mixing. I added the remaining milk and I keep mixing. Keep mixing until there is no lump. So what I do, I sprinkled some salt on the bell pepper and the onion, and I added it to the dough of my puff puff. So now I'm going to mix together thoroughly until everything is combined. So I'm done mixing. I'm going to cover and allow it to rest for 1 hour so it can double in size. So after 1 hour, it has doubled in size, and this is the outcome. So we'll go ahead to start the frying process. I added my vegetable oil to my pan and I'll allow it to heat up. So I added just small dough to see if it had heated. So it was okay. So I'll begin to cut to my desired shape. I cut to my shape, cut to your shape, cut to your desired shape. This first batch was the smaller sizes. So make sure you are doing it on a medium to low heat. You don't want a situation where your puff puff will not be cooked inside. So I keep on stirring over, flipping over. Keep an eye on your puff puff. Just keep flipping, keep stirring, keep controlling it while on the fire. So as you can see, it's already getting brown. So I'm still allowing it to cook more until it's golden brown. So here is golden brown. It's ready. I'm going to remove it from the oil. So now I'll be using scooper to scoop in some dough. As you can see, this size is bigger than the first size. Feel free to cut it to your desired size. So I flip over. I will allow both sides to cook. It's golden brown. And I remove it from the oil and put on a sieve so that the oil can go out. So I'm adding the remaining dough to the pan. So I came to flip over so that the other side can fry too. So now it's golden brown. I'll remove it. Yes, this is the final look of our puff puff, bell pepper, onion puff puff. So I cut one so that you see how the inside look like. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.